Well, never fails. You're on vacation and got a Yamaha 115 outboard 4-stroke mounted to a pontoon boat, and we're getting audible beeps that won't go off, probably pointed to this water separator here, this fuel filter. So I've basically unplugged it here. That goes to the bottom of this canister, and then see if we don't have some water in this fuel. There's basically a float down inside there that floats up or pushes down, one or the other. We'll find out. Looks pretty clear, but yeah, see, that float was floated up, so I think that maybe floats on water, not fuel. So we'll see if we can't get some clean fuel in there and it start. Definitely water in there. You see like a yellow rim around it and then a clear in the center. I think the majority of that is water. So now I've basically pumped another canister full of fuel in here, and you see that that float is not floating up on top anymore. It's actually sunk to the bottom, which is where it's supposed to be. It only floats on the water. And so basically over time, built up water. And so now you'll see here, a lot more yellow in there. So that yellow is the fuel, that clear was the water. So that water's down on the bottom. If we had a clear cup, we could see that. But I bet you now, put this thing on, pump it up, and we'll run just fine. Pump it full of fuel. Float stayed down low. Is it tight? All right. So now we're going to test it. And no beeping. There you go.